and let's move on to a few interesting questions. Now, children, what you're going to do is you will be looking at this particular image and you will please think about what all comes to your mind. Okay, you can see some children, you can see they're carrying some luggage. The person over here has a luggage. The girl over here is also carrying a luggage. The lady is also carrying a luggage. Yes, there are three small kids and two elderly people. So there is something which they are doing. They are carrying luggage and so yes, they are moving. So children, you can take a pause, take a break, and you can pause the video right here and write down whatever you think these people are doing right here. Okay? So yes. Okay, children. So by now, I feel that you've been able to write down something. So we are going to write down whatever comes to your mind, to our minds together. Okay, children? Okay, now look at the image given below and think of what comes to your mind. So, what comes to your mind is people or a family moving with luggage. They may be going on a vacation. Okay, children, and what else? They seem to be a family. Yes, definitely. That also you can presume. They seem to be a family. Okay, children? So, yes, definitely we can think about all of these things as this. Okay, and children, definitely your answer can vary because this is what I might presume from this particular image. Might be you're more creative and you might come out with a different answer. Okay, so all answers are correct, but basically the crux of the thing is that they are moving. So this is something which you have to keep in mind. Okay, children, so let's move forward. Now, children, after this, look at this image now and say what do you think the birds are doing. Okay, now look at the birds, children, over here. So what do you think they are doing? They are moving. Yes, definitely they are flying from one part to the other. Okay, yes. So why do you think the birds fly? Yes, in search of maybe food, in search of better climatic conditions. Maybe they are living in very cold environments and they want to move to an area where they can keep themselves warm. Yes, definitely in search of a place where they can go and make a particular nest and they can lay their eggs. So there are many reasons for the movement of these birds. Okay, children, so look at this image now and say what do you think the birds are doing? So they are moving or flying. Okay, children, from one part to the other. They may be searching for food, better climate, or to make their nest. So children, so now over here we get to understand and get to know that not only are the human beings moving, but there are movement in animals and birds as well. Okay, so the birds are also moving, animals are also moving. Both of them are moving, and what exactly is happening is that they are moving for a certain reason. We just don't move without any reason. Today, if I have to come to office, I'll move because of some particular reason. If you have to go to school, you'll go because you have to go and attend your school. Okay, so we just don't start moving randomly, but there is a particular reason attached to our movement, and that has to be very, very clear. Okay, children? Okay, so let's move forward. Now, children, after this, Now, what we are going to study in this particular lesson, something very interesting, we'll be linking all these movements. Okay, we are going to link the movements of human beings, link the movements of birds, and we'll try to understand what these movements are about. Okay, children. So what we are going to study in today's class is migration. That is movement from one place to the other place. Okay. And we will also be seeing the reasons for the same. Okay, children. So it's not only the movement which is important, but it is also the reasons which are important. Okay, children. So reasons are something which you have to understand and you have to keep in mind, because random movement is very difficult to happen. Generally, there is a reason attached to why we are moving from one particular part to the other part.